All right, let's get right into it. We're gonna solve the mystery that plagues pretty much everyone. Why does your bank account look so sad, so empty, like 2 days after payday? This is the ultimate showdown. Income versus expenses. I mean, think about it. Ever feel like your salary has a secret superpower? That beautiful notification hits your phone, the money's in your account, and for like a hot minute, you feel like you can buy the whole world. It's a great feeling, right? But its main superpower seems to be invisibility. Because 1 minute it's there, and the next, poof, gone, vanished, just poof, into thin air. Where did it even go? Did you spend it, or did it just decide to ghost you? It's a real head scratcher. And that is exactly what we are here to solve today. We're gonna put on our detective hats, we're gonna crack the case of the vanishing money. It's time to find out where it's all going. You know, every good story has a hero and a villain. And believe it or not, the story of your bank account is no different. So, it's time to meet the two main characters in this epic financial drama. In this corner, we have our hero, income, all the glorious money coming in, fighting for your financial well-being. And in the other corner, we have the sneaky, cunning villain, expenses, all the money that just loves to sneak out the back door. So let's properly introduce our hero. Income is pretty simple, right? It's all the money coming in. You've got your main salary, maybe some freelancing on the side, but let's not forget the other little heroes, like cashback rewards, and of course, the most reliable source for some of us, those random gifts from your favorite auntie at a family get-together. That totally counts. And now, for our villain, expenses. These guys are tricky. You've got the ones you expect, like rent and bills, but the real damage? That comes from those late-night online shopping sprees or, that thing you bought just because it was on sale, even though you absolutely did not need it. Yeah, that's the villain at work. So, with our hero and our villain finally introduced, the stage is now set for the ultimate budget battle. This is where things get real, and, well, for most of us, this is where the story of our bank account takes a very dramatic turn. And here it is. This is the crime scene, people. Look at this. Our hero, Income, brings in a solid $500. But then, look at the villain. Expenses has bulked up to $600. It's simple math, really. The villain is stronger than the hero. This is the core reason you feel broke all the time. And the result of that battle? Yeah, a whole lot of financial stress. You can almost hear the world's tiniest violin playing a sad little song just for your bank account. It's a tragedy, but you know what? It doesn't have to end this way. It is time to flip the script. You are not just a bystander in this story, you're the director. It's time to become a money detective and figure out exactly what's going on with your cash. And here's how you do it, your 3-step master plan. First, you have to track everything, and I mean everything. Yes, even that one chai you bought. You need to see where every single rupee is going. Second, you gotta cut the unnecessary stuff. That 5th food delivery of the week, probably a want, not a need. This is where you weaken the villain. And third, with the money you just saved, you save and invest it. That's how you make your money start working for you. So once you actually put this master plan into action, what does that victory even look like? Let me tell you, your entire financial world is about to change. You'll finally be in the driver's seat, telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. And this right here, this is what success looks like. It's the famous 50-30-20 rule. So say you make $1,000. 50% or 500 goes to your needs, rent, bills, the boring stuff. 30%, 300 goes to your wants, the fun stuff. And a solid 20%, $200 goes straight into savings and investments. No more mystery. And just like that, boom, you've done it. You solved the case, you defeated the villain, and you are finally in control of your money. Feels pretty amazing, doesn't it? So if you take away just one thing today, let it be this little mantra. Spend smart, always save a little bit first, and then you can truly enjoy the rest without any of that guilt. All right, your mission is clear. If you've ever felt that end-of-the-month pain, do me a favor and smash that like button. Hit subscribe so you don't miss out on becoming a total financial genius with us. And you know you have that one friend whose spending is a little out of control? Go ahead, share this with them. It's a financial intervention. And finally, drop a comment below and declare it. I'm tracking my money now. Let's go.